Hi, this is Mireia from Gossip Funda. Nowadays, page actions are temporarily disabled by Google Search Console. Then how to index our URLs? Gossip Funda is providing you the best methods to index, and the last two ways will suck you. First, check that your URL is already indexed or not. For this, put a double inverted comma at the start and at the end of the URL in the Google search bar. If it is already indexed, then no need to worry, you can skip this video. If not, then move to mentioned methods. Method 1 is very simple. If you have already submitted your sitemap, then just wait and watch. Your URL will index by Google when bots crawl your site. Now coming to the next method. Open your Google Search Console. Enter your URL in the Inspect Any URL tool. You will see the error, page actions are temporarily disabled. Now, click on the Test Live URL. This will force the Google bots to crawl your site URL. In the next method, we will use Google Tools. First tool is Page Speed Insights. Open Page Speed Insights. Paste your URL, which you want to index, test for your site speed. If you really want this much of site speed, then check our article below. Second tool is Mobile Friendly Test by Google. In the very same way, open Mobile Friendly Test. Paste your URL and check for a mobile friendliness. This method will directly ping your URL to Google. In the next method, you need to open different ping sites to ping URL. We have provided a list of useful sites, and please see the article in the description. Open all the sites, one by one, paste your URL, keywords, and blog category, asked by the sites, and after filling all the data, click on Ping. In the next method, we will make an internal backlink of the URL on the already indexed post. In the same way, you should try to make an external do-follow backlink on a high-quality domain. In the final method, try is to send the URL to free and paid indexing tool. Here we are using 1 hour indexing. You will see that your URL gets indexed. If it is not, then wait for a few hours. We hope that you have indexed your site URLs using these affordable methods. Please put your comment which method you like the most. Also, like, share, subscribe, Gossip Funda, and press the bell icon for such upcoming videos. Thanks for watching till end.